How to load objects in Unreal Engine 5. In this scene, we have the 3 spheres, and I will select one of them, and maybe I will select this blue one, and and select it, and right click, and select transform, and check lock actors movement. And when I lock it, and you can see in here, you can change this value. It means it's locked it. And you can see I select another one. I can move it. And also this gizmo is show. But this one's gizmo is not showing. I need to do it again to unlock it. And also you can do it in here. We select it and right click and select transform, and here have the same thing. And we also can do it again and uncheck it. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.